welcome to my first video on the channel. We are going to be putting the wide body on. Well, I don't know what we're yeah, so we got pretty much most of it out right now. Took off the main panels and we got the front fenders off. Here, let me show you. Pretty much all of it off right now. And we're gonna get the new ones on. The front ones are bolt-ons, but the rear is like the pain in the ass. So we'll see how that goes. Let me go get the stuff here. Hold up.
Big muscles.
Alright, so we got all the parts right here. Got the headlights out, and these are the old fenders. And that's the old wide body, which I sold to somebody, so they should be picking it up soon. These, get these out actually. They're so freaking light. I'm scared to break them. Alright, y'all. So we got the drill, and we're gonna drill the fenders because the holes that they came, you know, the pre-built holes, I guess, for the fenders are way too small for the actual car. Okay. Sure, it's freezing out here, yo. I swear. Holy crap. Got the daily. Oof.
Over here we have a baby GTR.
Oh shit.
Just don't ride in it because it makes weird noises.
But look at those wheels. They're off the ground, yo. Oh man. Did you clean your car before you came?
The other day.
Oh yeah.
For the meat?
Oh yeah.
Will we need this? I'll bring it just in case.
Holy crap. This weather ain't to move. Alright, so we got the first fender drilled out right there. So now that fits the plastic pieces that came with it. Then we're doing the second one now, hopefully. So we got both of these drilled out. This one is almost done right here to fit the OEM plastic pieces so that the fender can stick to the car instead of falling out.
Get in there, boy.
But it smells like straight up fiberglass.
True.
Hell yeah.
Building our dreams out here, boy.
Alright, let me get the piece. I don't think I can grab it with one hand. Oh, where's it at? Remember? Oh, shit. Alright. Hold up. That should fit straight up. See? Yeah, here you go. Damn. It's kind of hard to do with one camera in one hand. Alright. I think that should be it. That looks beautiful.
Huge.
Hell yeah. Damn, that's gonna be a bitch.
So now we gotta put this on?
Yeah, the thing is, like, okay, these have to fit in here. Yeah. So I think like we gotta make those holes a little bit bigger. Cause I tried to fit them and they wouldn't go in.
Really?
Yeah. They're a pain, dude. They slide out. We'll get back to you whenever we finish all this, so you don't have to sit here and watch it. All right, so we're putting on the fender. Hopefully it should fit. Let me see. Boy, that's OEM. Barely. See, the hard part is how are you gonna push those in, or are we just gonna like push the whole side skirt? Okay, cool. We gotta tighten this little screw right here.
Does this go in front of it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, that's crisp. The thing is, the hard part is the hood. So just don't want it to be pushing out.
Can you lift it up?
Yeah.
Here, hold it.
Oh shoot, I don't have any more. Let me get you something. Hold up. I gotta find something else. That's the AMG just sitting here. You wanna use a shovel? But car guy problems, yo. I do need to buy the strut, like dead ass, at some point. It's like I'm digging out my engine. Yeah, I'll hold the fee.
Yeah?
Yeah, rip. Rip.
Alright, what is
That's a showcase car.
that?
Yeet.
Great big chicken.
I'm dead. Yeah, that should close. Try to close it. That should close though. I'm not worried about that. The thing is, whenever you close it, this part was kind of like touching this and pushing it. That's what like I was like worried about, Loki. I got all the screws inside the bag, which I don't know where the hell it is. Where do we put it? Oh, shit. Let me go find the bag. All right, so we got this screw in right here, and the fin is looking Korean as fuck because nothing is fitting right now.
This is just how you gonna run it like that.
Yeah, pretty much, you know, drift body. Anything could fall. No, we got to drill these out a little bit more because the fitment on them was booty. But it's okay because it's fixable, hopefully. Yeah, just open it a little bit. There's one more screw down here that you get through from the driver's side. Let me see it right there. Is it right there somewhere? Yeah, it's right there. There you go. Shoot. Yeah, I got it. Dude, my finger feel like sausage right now. Fuck.
It's not even that cold, right? It was colder the other day and you were out here like it was nothing.
I got inside, boy. I was in shorts too. Jeez. Rip. Rip. There you go.
Is that long enough? That's what she said.
But I don't think that was a screw.
Yeah, hold that right there. Alright, pull it back just a little bit.
Pull it back?
Yeah, like towards you. Right there.
Boy, right there. Look at this. Holy shit.
Oh,
I can fit in the gap.
I need an extension.
You really for real?
Yeah.
Rip. I think we need new holes everywhere. They just one eye drilled these motherfuckers. Dude. I think I just taped the kit. For real, for real. Oh man. There you go, right here. Yeah, that's boob.
Oh.
You sure it don't fit like this?
Hell no.
Okay.
Six and a half hours later.
All right, so the headlight it's not fitting quite right at the moment. Here, hold on, I'll show you. Yeah, boy, squeezing.
Don't go in there.
Really? Oh yeah, because this needs to slide, kind of like slides into it. Here, hold this real quick. Show you how to do this.
Okay.
See how to do this real quick. Oh my goodness.
The host texting him.
Oh god. Ain't nothing more.
We're breaking now.
Okay, bro, I'm about to throw my Apple Watch.
Hey, okay, went in.
Really?
A little bit. Yeah, like angle it down when you push it in.
Fuck. Sorry, bro. How the hell that was in? Oh, this side.
Yeah, it's go in there.
Oh my, kill this car.
Oh, there we go. Kinda. Like won't reach.
Yeah, it's because it's not sitting right. Otherwise, see, the holes are not lining up. Hold on, bro.
6 months later.
Alright, y'all. Quick update. We fixed the fender, so it's still like hot boy fitment right now. And he's a little bit sanding here and there, but overall, it's great.
OEM shit.
I swear. I do have spacers in the front, even though they're freaking 11s. So we're gonna take those off. Hopefully, when we take it off and jump it a little bit, get that lip defender, maybe. I think.
Right here.
Yeah, because it's at 25 mils, so it should be.
Yeah, that's like an inch in. It'll probably be right here.
Oh, that'd be so hot, dude. We do need to cut this. There's like little pieces right here. We need to cut those down. Other than that, should be perfect. We put the OEM headlights in instead of the aftermarket ones just to test it out. And yeah, we're gonna put this shit on, and I'll just get back to you when everything is done. Hey y'all, we're back again. So we got everything together except
perfect.
I'm so dead.
Okay, let go.
No, here, hold up. Oh, let me show you. So everything is perfect when it gets tied down. Because right now, this is as best we can get it, because we need to take off the side skirt, but it's getting dark, and we'll leave the rest of it for next time. We'll take off the side skirt and then get the front bumper on, hopefully, and the side air vents. So
pretty good fitment for aftermarket.
Yeah, not bad. Took us the whole goddamn day. But we're about to go catch food, so I'll hit you with this cinematics, you know? Hey y'all, so we are headed to Homo Burgers. If you don't know what that place is, it's a burger place here in Louisville. It's one of the best places ever. Ain't that right, bro?
Yeah.
I usually get the, what do you usually get?
Bacon. Some with bacon. Oh shit, my bad. I get some with bacon.
Yeah, I get the fried egg. I think with the jalapeno ones, bro. Fried eggs, bro, they'd be so delicious over there. Like, no cap. Oh god. But yeah, so we'll see you there. Hey y'all, we're here. What? We're here.
Free parking would be good.
Oh shit. Hot boy. That boy got him. Here we go. You ready? Hey y'all. Full as fuck. How you feeling?
Full, bro.
Dude, that was a good ass sandwich. And the worker there.
Stay by the water.
I'm dead. But that concludes our video for today. Hopefully. So I'm gonna leave y'all with some cinematic footage, baby. And I'll see you on the next video, where hopefully we'll be installing the front wings, the rest of the fender, and the front bumper, hopefully, based on this weather. So peace out. Thanks so much.